In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Smartsheet data to Excel using the Live Data Connector. If you need to work with Smartsheet information inside Excel, this process makes it much easier to view and analyze your data without manually copying and pasting everything. Before getting started, take a moment to decide what kind of setup you actually need. In some cases, you may want to export data one time. In other situations, you might want to import data into another system. But if your goal is to keep working with current Smartsheet data inside Excel, then connecting live data is usually the best option. Once you know that live data is what you want, go ahead and open Excel. This is the environment where the Smartsheet data will be loaded, so having it ready first helps make the process smoother. Make sure Excel is fully open and ready to accept a data connection before moving on. Next, check whether the Smartsheet Live Data Connector is already installed on your computer. If it is not installed yet, you will need to install it before continuing. This connector allows Excel to communicate directly with Smartsheet, which is what makes the live connection possible. Depending on your setup, the installation may only take a few moments, but it is an essential part of the process. After that, sign in to your Smartsheet account. This step gives the connector permission to access your available sheets and reports. Be sure to complete the sign-in process fully so Excel can retrieve your data correctly. Once you're signed in, choose the specific sheet or report you want to connect. This is an important step because the data that appears in Excel will come directly from the item you select here. Take a second to confirm that you are choosing the correct sheet or report, especially if you manage multiple projects or workspaces. When you've selected the right source, load the data into Excel. At this point, the information from Smartsheet should appear inside your workbook, allowing you to sort, review, and work with it using Excel's tools. This can be especially useful for reporting, filtering, and deeper analysis. Finally, whenever you need the latest information from Smartsheet, refresh the connection. This updates the Excel data so it reflects the current version from your connected sheet or report. If your Smartsheet data changes often, refreshing regularly will help ensure you're always working with the most up-to-date information. That's the full process for connecting Smartsheet data to Excel with the Live Data Connector.